Hi, welcome to Productive C#. In this video, I want to talk about the take and skip LINQ operators. Here I have a console application in Visual Studio 2017. I have an array of numbers, and then I print this array of numbers and also the result array that at the moment is actually the same as numbers. If I run this, as you can see now, I can see the input, that's the array, and the output, that is actually the same array. Let me show you what the take operators allows you to do. It's fairly simple. Basically, if you do take dot and then you pass a number like 3, the result is basically a collection that contains only the first 3 elements of the original collection. So it's taking the first 3 elements from it, that is 1, 4, and 2 in this case. So extremely simple and very useful. If you use skip instead, you basically skip the first 3 elements and take the rest of the elements. If I run this, and you can see that now I remove 1, 4, and 2 from the original collection, and I only take 7 and forward. There are other 2 operators that are similar. There's take while, but instead of passing a number, you need to pass a condition. So this condition, for example, let's say x is less than 5. Spelling, here we go, take while. So I take elements until this condition is true. Let's run it and see what happens. As you can see, I'm taking the first 3 elements again, because 1 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, 7 is not less than 5, and then it stops. Right? Even if there are elements that are less than 5, they are not picked, because take while stop as soon as the condition becomes false. Similarly, you can do skip while. Skip while. So I skip until x is less than 5. Let's see what happens in this case. 1 is less than 5. Yes. 4 is less than 5, yes. 2 is less than 5, yes. So all of these are skipped. And then 7 and 4 are taken. And these are actually the 4 take and skips operators that you can use. The power also comes by the fact that you can combine them. I can, for example, skip the first 3 elements and then take the next 2 elements. Let's say if I run this, as you can see, 1, 4, 2 are skipped, and then 7 and 5 are taken. There's one important consideration to mention here. All the time you try to enumerate a collection using skip and take, for example, remember that enumeration always happens. So you might actually do multiple enumeration unintentionally. So if you want to materialize the collection, you need to use the toList operator. So in this case, result is actually a new copy of the original array that actually is materialized the result of the operation. So keep that in mind if you want to improve performance and avoid multiple enumerations. And this is pretty much it. So how to use take and skip LINQ operators using C#. Thank you very much for watching.